on what?
No, you gotta put me on. No.
Put you on to what?
Hell no, G. You gotta put me on, G.
Put you on to what?
You gotta get us out the hood. You ain't talking. I know who you is.
Who am I?
Hell no.
That Bruce.
Oh, what the? Bruce? Hey, I ain't got. What the? What the?
Listen, I literally just got done watching you on YouTube. Send me a gift card.
Hey, no cap, no cap, though. Since you actually watch, though, I swear to God, I got you.
It's real.
I swear to God, I got you. You a real. I'm with that.
Oh no.
But hold on. I ain't gonna leak your shit neither. I ain't gonna be like that.
Okay, I see you be pausing the videos. I be
Wait.
seeing that guy. You too, though.
Y'all good.
Real one.
Alright, bro.
What? Not
70. I think it's about 78.
Yo. Oh my God, this dude is. Oh my God. I'm just playing.
The sugar daddy. 22.
Yo, so like, oh shit. No, I'm not gonna lie, bro. We getting hella. And this nigga look just like you.
No way. This cap.
How does he look just like me?
Cap.
What?
Bro, what the? I know it. Look at bro. I know it. I'm from Houston, bro. I went to a Tuskegee. Oh God, on my mama.
That's
Bro,
what's up.
Bruce, what's up, gang? Hey, Bruce. Hey, Twitch. Hey, Bruce. We gonna keep it.
Yo, Bruce, you know what's so crazy?
What?
That actually went to my high school, bro. That's the crazy
Hey.
part. Yes, no, I swear.
Is that Bruce? Is that Bruce?
Nah, that's Jonathan.
First of all, you the same that said that was my bitch, and literally I was making an example. I ain't got no. And Bruce, hey, be kind to me, bro.
Yo,
Be kind ass.
That is my brother, man. Y'all chill, man.
No, for real. I want to know, like, though, why,
Yeah,
what
keep
happened?
it on the
No, I was making an example. What really happened was this female, she was like, oh yeah, I want to with you. And I told her, look, I'm not letting you have access to me, bro, because like every time you have access to me, you always say negative thoughts. Like I'd be like, yeah, I'm positive, and you be like, nah, you're not. You're thinking negative. You're literally just saying that, so that's gonna be in my head. So
I was waiting.
Nigga literally wanted to see a schizophrenic episode, bro.
I was waiting for
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that's crazy.
Hey,
that's
you know how we can
crazy.
stop getting like guys and shit? I'm trying to put Annoying on. I'm trying to put him down.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some feedback.
Yo, my fault.
No, you good, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. It's not.
I'm trying to find the love of my life.
Do we
Bro,
got a
DO4L, bro. Yo, annoying, bro. You're chopped as shit, bro. DO4L, bro. That's all I gotta say, bro.
Why is he on my dick? Nah, he just did some unprovoked dick riding. That was crazy. Nah, that was some crazy
that was
dick
actually
riding.
dick riding. No,
Fuck.
he actually dick rode. That was bad. That was super bad, bro. Actually. So we can't choose if we ain't got the premium shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just skip until we get a girl in.
We can do that.
All right.
Or you get the What the fuck?
Well, I thought they were taking a shit. He making it up.
He is.
Yo, we not getting all these.
We're getting no bitches. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to pay that.
I'm gonna go watch my
They're trying to make us pay that.
They're trying to make us pay that. Yo, chat. How much is the fee?
It's $7.
nigga, look.
Yo, what's his ass out?
I ain't see that. I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't paying attention.
Can I ask you guys a question?
Sure.
I'm very good. Would you all like to hear about Jesus Christ?
You Nigerian niggas doing this on here too? I can't get away from
I'm
you,
not
nigga.
fucking Nigerian.
Big booty
I'm
ass
not
nigga. Always
I know
asking
you
that question.
DM me
I'm
before.
not.
You
I'm
had
not
to have DM me
Nigerian.
Nigga,
before.
I'm
so
not
annoying. You
Nigerian.
are, bro. You
I know
always
you
trying
DM
to
me
do this
before.
shit,
I
bro.
I'm not
I done ran
Nigerian.
into you three
I
different
know
times.
you DM me before.
I'm not Nigerian.
Yeah.
I am not Nigerian.
I'm not, yo, back the fuck up, bug looking ass nigga. You finna
No,
scare
bitch,
us. How are you gonna ask us if we want to
you are a
goddamn join
grown
God
man.
and you look like a damn bug and you scaring everybody you at? Nigga, you might as well ask if you want to join Satan. Hey, man, nigga, yo, annoying. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You look way better with that goatee, my brother. I never knew you was goatee gang. Goatee gang.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I know you're actually ugly as shit. Holy fuck.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That's the last nigga that's gonna get on my dick. I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired of these niggas get on my dick. The next nigga I see, I'm on his ass.
That's so fucked up. Okay, hold on. Hey, how y'all doing?
Hello, hi.
Shit, how old are you guys?
How old are y'all?
35.
35. Okay, I ain't gonna lie.
You two?
I'm 22.
I'm 26.
Why y'all lying? Y'all look older than that.
Nah.
What?
I mean,
Y'all look like y'all in my age range.
He is.
Yo, stop. Yo, Bruce, stop doing
I
that.
know he lying. He look like my age.
Who, me?
You, the first one, right here.
Yeah, you.
Wait, me?
Look like my age.
You, yeah.
I look like I'm your age.
No, not you.
Oh, yeah. You talking about him? Okay. That's what you get.
Bitch, I just said I was 22. 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 What the fuck?
Wait.
I don't know who you are.
Yo, this nigga. Yo, hello? You good?
Is you a streamer?
No.
Yes, you is, nigga. Come on. You is.
Yo, hell no. Yo, bro, y'all got it, bro. This monkey shit is funny, bro.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with this app.
I'm crying. I'm about to start crying.
51. Nice.
Yo, we've only ran into one mom, so we might have to buy that. Yo, chat, should we just get it? How much is it?
It's like $8. Something like
$8?
that. Yeah. $8 for 7 days, by the way.
You just want to split it
Is that Niners?
$4 each?
Yeah, we could. I'll cash app it.
All right, bet.
Is that the Niners?
Shut up, nigga. All right, I'm about to start.
Bro, chat, bro. 21 from St. Louis. His name is Tyrone.
Yes, man. Bruce.
No, nigga, that's Jonathan.
No, it's not me, bro.
Oh, damn.
It's a green screen.
Damn.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Why you got a ski mask on? You better hit a lick?
This ain't a ski mask, bro.
What is that?
Damn, nigga.
Oh, fuck.
Yo, why you drop your phone like that?
Cause my slow friend, he on some bullshit right now. Yeah.
Yo, slow friend.
Yeah. He's staring at me right now.
Hate little niggas, bro. I don't like the way this nigga sounding. Yo, can I skip? Thank you.
How the fuck you do that?
It sounded like he was beating his shit.
Yo.
Hey, what's good, bro?
No way. No way. Annoying.
Yo.
Bruce.
Yo.
No way. This is crazy.
Do you have a sister?
This is crazy, bro.
Do you have a sister?
Do I have a sister? Chill.
It's just a question.
It's just a question.
Huh?
It's just crazy.
Yeah, I do have a sister. A little sister.
How old is your sister?
Little sister. She's like 17. No, yeah, 17. Yeah.
Okay.
Guess how old I am.
17.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You look no. He looked 25.
Nah, not 25, bro.
Nah, he might be like
Too old.
23.
21.
21.
Damn.
21.
Yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. UK blacks, y'all don't be sounding or looking y'all age.
At all.
Really?
I
No,
don't know
bro.
what the fuck y'all have in the water or
Nah.
some shit, bro. But y'all voice don't match either.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, you need to come over for wireless. You need to come over.
Wait, what is that? Say it again.
It's like Rolling Loud. It's like Rolling Loud, but
oh wait, ain't Lucky is about to perform in the UK.
Come over.
Where's
it at in the UK?
I'm about to come over.
It's like London. It's London.
Oh, okay.
You been in London, Annoying?
Of course. I've been all around London. I'm from there.
You're from there?
Yeah. I'm from Peckham.
Wait, Annoying, you got veneers?
Yeah.
You got veneers?
Okay. No, nigga, these my natural teeth.
Yo!
I did
Your teeth
not
look
get
bigger.
No, it's my
Hey, congratulations on the kick move, by the way. Congratulations.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, fam. Thank you. Yo, bless, fam.
Yeah,
bless,
congratulations.
fam.
Bless.
Bless. Nice meeting you, fam. Bless, fam.
Hey, great meeting you.
That's a fact.
Nigga, when your teeth get bigger?
Nigga, what do you mean? When I got my braces on, it was covering up my whole fucking teeth, so my gums were showing and shit.
That shit was not included in your patch notes. Nigga, what do you mean? Well, I got my... Yo, he's stream watching.
Oh no, he is a sniper. Oh my god, no, we just call him 4K sniping. Nah, that nigga was sniping. Nah, he was sniping. No, nigga, these ain't veneers. I just got whitener.
They look really good, bro.
I know. I was thinking about getting veneers, but I wasn't gonna.
No. Don't get them. Don't get them. No, you look good. You look good. Ooh, fuck.
Bro, we can't get no bitches.
Dubon, South Africa. Oh my God, your brother. Henry Wayne.
We can't get no bitches. Oh, hold on.
Wait, take the glasses off. Take the glasses off.
Yo.
She skipped automatically.
The first bitch of the night too.
Fuck.
You said take the glasses off?
Yeah, take the glasses off. Oh my fucking God, is that Trey Songz? Oh my God, nigga. No, yeah, I swear to God, Annoying, you're literally an 8 out of 10. What do y'all rate my friend right here?
He's up 10 out of 10. I can't lie.
Are y'all sucking and fucking?
Fuck?
Y'all fucking, ain't y'all?
Y'all fucking.
Y'all fucking 100%. They
Look
fucking.
at his face. He laughing.
They fucking. Oh my God. Yo. What the fuck? This nigga look crazy as fuck. Oh my God. Yo, ain't gonna lie. If I ain't skipped that nigga, we probably would have died.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yo.
Yo.
Hey.
Yo, is that Bruce?
Hey, what's good,
Jonathan.
man? But that's not my name.
Yeah. Yo, big D.O. shit. Fuck
Hey,
yeah.
nice meeting you, bro. Nice meeting you, gang.
Hey, hold on, wait, Bruce though, like, tell me like, what's good with you and Kaido, bro?
No, bro. Stop, y'all. See, Annoying.
No. Look. Listen though, bro. It ain't like I'm not trying to instigate nothing. Like, just let me know if it's a problem though, cause I don't really handle his ass in the bit, bro.
Oh no.
Yo, I don't know, bro.
Bruce, you got hitters?
No, I don't know, yo. I don't, bro. It's no violence. Stop the violence. Stop the violence. Stop the violence. Stop the violence.
Nah, he is DEO stepping. Nah, he is stepping on shit. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. The DEO steppers is out. He is stepping on shit. Oh no.
Yo.
What's up?
Is it? It's actually y'all.
Huh?
Happy Juneteenth.
Happy Juneteenth, my brother.
Yeah.
My guy.
That nigga look like Dave. He do look like Davis. I swear.
Yo. Oh, she's like 14. I hope you have a fantastic day.
You too.
Nah, Bruce, you wrong for that.
I didn't know, bro. I didn't know.
Nah, you wrong for that.
But didn't know. Rat is terrifying. Yo, chat. Y'all are dick riders, bro.
Yo.
Bro, why do we keep getting niggas? And why is this nigga closing at work?
Why are you trying to flex to us? Why?
Yo, bro, what's wrong with this nigga, bro? This nigga is closing at work, stream sniping us on Monkey. 42 San Bernardino. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If this is what I think it is. Literally, yo, should we try to buy it? Should we both buy it?
They said it wasn't gonna work. I mean, shit, we
Hard
could
as
try it.
fuck, bro.
We could try
Bro.
it.
Yo.
Shit.
Oh man, fuck him, man. I'm tired of getting these meatball face ass niggas annoying. These niggas are, yo, we trying to find you love.
Like gas money?
Oh my god, Kayla Tucker.
Yo.
Please. How you doing, Kayla Tucker?
Good, you.
How old
doing
are you?
well.
Bitch, I'm 19.
What do you do for a living?
Oh
No,
shit!
just-
I
I was waiting
okay,
for- I was
yo, okay.
waiting. No,
So
no,
give me.
no.
Okay, yeah. Okay, the safe word. Oh my god, look
We
at
gotta
this
do a
fat
safe
ass
word.
nigga. Okay,
Is
what
that
is the
Los
safe
Polos?
word? We gotta make a safe word while we on this shit. Like, what is the safe word, chat? For like
Yeah, Chad,
past.
I ain't gonna lie, Chad, it gotta be a safe word. It gotta be a safe word.
Wait, ain't you the boy from YouTube? Things like that. You look mad familiar.
Who, him?
No, the other boy with the head on.
Me?
Him?
Yeah.
How you know me, bruh?
You look really familiar. I don't know.
Hey,
You look
I
really
appreciate
fucking
that, bro. Look, if you do find me, drop a sub, man. AnnoyingTV. Philly
Yep.
Bull.
Yep, Philly Ball?
Philly Bull.
That's crazy, bro. That's fucking crazy.
Damn, your nose is fat as shit.
Yo! You look like that.
He's scared, bruh. He's scared. Hey, I got a question. But how old are y'all first?
What? 17, 18.
I'm not gonna lie. You look damn too fucking good to not find love tonight, bro. Real shit. That big ass drop just scared the fuck out of me, bro.
There's no way.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking.
Who are you talking about, him or me?
No.
Yo. Is this fake?
Yo, please tell me.
Him or me?
You.
What?
No. Oh my god, no.
That's that YouTube nigga.
No.
Yo, it is nice. If you talking, I don't know who you talk. Are you talking about him? Or are you talking about me? Yo, it is nice to meet you. Yes,
Bro,
I'm real. I'm thinking you talking about him.
You fucking bit lucky. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, I did ask thought she was talking about. I didn't know who the fuck she was talking about for the past 5 minutes.
Hey. Oh, you ugly ass piece of.
I'm not gonna let him disrespect you like that. He ain't gonna disrespect you like that. For us. Yeah. Damn. Yo. It's always yeah, he skipped the bro, they skipping everybody's skipping us. That's mean. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go.
Alright, here we go.
Oh yeah, Bruce, you
I fucking hate your cracker ass, you stupid bitch. Nah, nigga. Eat a dick, nigga. Eat a fucking
Shut the
dick.
fuck
What
up.
are you
Shut the fuck up. Don't talk
Shut the fuck up, you annoying little cunt. Bro, you're the most ugliest little cunt I've ever seen in my fucking life, bro.
Speak. Now speak.
No, I'll be real, you're the most ugliest cunt. Shut the fuck up, sit down, you stink of shit, mate. Go down, sit the fuck down.
Put a fucking shirt on now.
Shut up, bro.
Now,
You don't
before I call
know.
you
You know who I am. You know who I am.
Put a
You
shirt
know
on
who I
now,
am.
nigga.
Bruce, tell him who I am, bro. Tell him who I am.
I don't know who this nigga is, annoying. Fuck that nigga.
Shave your fucking mustache, you ugly
Put a
little
shirt on
cunt.
now.
Bruce, listen, I got founder in your badge as well. I got founder in your chat as well. So you better respect me, bro, because I fucking own you.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit sound like Andy Tate. Nah, I
So
ain't
you
gonna lie,
got founder in my chat. How the fuck did you get founder in my chat?
Because I subbed.
All right, let me take that shit away.
You can't take it away.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You are one of the people. You know what? I don't even hate you, January. I don't hate you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you. I got love for. No, I actually fucking hate you. Happy Juneteenth, chat.
Happy Juneteenth.
Hold on.
Nigga, you are a grown ass man.
I can't get that point.
Is that a tie-dye shirt?
Yeah. Who uncle this is?
Oh no.
Yo. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Monkey, I swear to God, bro. Monkey can make you feel like you had a family fucking reunion.
That's a fact.
Yeah, that's Snoop Dogg.
What? Wait, say that again?
I wasn't talking to y'all.
No. Say it again. Say it again.
I said, like, are you Snoop Dogg?
Am I
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, he's talking about you.
Bro, I think, bro, it's literally, it's no women on here neither.
There's
It's
no women
not.
on here, bro.
So it's not even our
It's
fault.
impossible.
It's literally just a whole bunch of niggas beating their dicks, kids, like.
Scared.
Somebody at the front door annoying.
I know, they got it.
Bruce look like Snoop. Yo, you know, stop. Hey, how y'all doing?
Hello. Hello.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's GG's. My router is done. 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 And this nigga got a meat beating set up, bro. My router is done, bro. It's GG's. Miss GG's. My router is fucking done. Yo, wait, that wasn't static. That was voices, right, Chuck?
That I think that was a voice. Shit. Nigga said I rebuke. Oh shit, we can't connect.
No, stop, bro. Stop. Don't be
We're
weird.
not connecting.
Like that shit, bro.
Yo, bro, stop!
Bro, I swear to you, bro, I thought this nigga was this close to pulling out his dick.
Oh my God, that's one nigga from that's that one nigga that be with that's Bruno. Whatever fucking his name is.
Shut up, bitch. Bruno! Who the fuck is Bruno?
Nah,
Who the fuck is Bruno? Yo! What the fuck?
Yo,
Nigga,
stop
just
showing that
upload
shit. I'll
this.
take that shit from you. Stop that shit, nigga. You ain't the only nigga who got a pipe, nigga. I would disarm you, nigga. Stop that shit. That's right. Now shut the fuck up and sit in your chair like a good bitch you are, nigga. Fuck. Hey, don't you do it.
That gun not
Don't
real.
you do it.
That gun not real. Shoot it. It ain't real. Damn. He dropped the
Fucking
brakes.
dog.
What you gonna
I hate
What you gonna
dogs.
do? What you gonna do about that? Fo?
Fucking thug. He know who he is.
Yo!
What the fuck? Who you
Yo!
Who are you finna rob, nigga?
Yo!
Yo, why that nigga had a shicey on? Nigga look like Diglett.
Did that say Parkland?
No, I ain't say Parkland. Hey, how y'all doing?
Yo.
Do you know who that is? No. Who is that?
Do you know who that is?
Who is
No,
that?
do you know
How do
who
you
that
not
is?
know? How do you
No,
not know?
you I don't That's a streamer.
It is?
Yes.
For real?
Uh-huh. No.
That's actually insane.
Yes.
You talking about annoying?
What's your name?
Annoying TV.
You talking about
Annoying TV. Annoying TV.
You talking about Jonathan right here?
He's pointing to this way, off the screen.
You talking about him?
You talking about him?
This one.
You with the beanie.
That's Bruno hit him up.
Bruno hit him. Hey, my name Bruno hit him up. Yo, Bruno hit him up. Bruno hit him up.
Yo.
Hell.
What
Hello?
you mean? What you? Hello?
Where you at?
My room.
Hey, how old are you?
Nanya.
Aw, bitch, I ain't finna play them fucking games with you, whore.
He fried it in the bed, man. Bruce!
What's going on, dog? My name not Bruce, though. I changed it last week.
Bruno
It's
hit him
Muhammad.
up.
No,
Wait.
no, it's Muhammad.
No way.
Nigga,
No
Bruno
way.
hit him up.
What?
No way, that's Bruce.
What happened?
Oh, God, that's Bruce.
No.
Bruno hit him up. Fuck.
Hey,
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
how are you?
I'm doing well.
You look like what's his name is?
Snoop Dogg?
No,
Lil Tecca?
the guy with the red jacket. You look like Polo. His name is start with little something.
Polo G?
No,
Little asshole.
Lil Tecca?
Lil Wave or something.
Lil Wavos. Who the fuck you listening to?
What his name is? He got little his name.
Bitch, is you drunk?
Yes.
You drunk?
No. Yes.
Who look like Lil? Bitch, is you blonde?
You look at that one YouTube, that one fucking rapper, bro.
Me? She talking about
red
you.
jacket.
How the fuck this nigga Little Uzi?
You look like Pop Smoke. Or
What the fuck?
Snoop Dogg. You look like Snoop Dogg.
Okay, so now she's talking. Now she's talking about me. Now she's talking about me. Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
That gotta be racist. That gotta be racist. I don't know what the fuck you mean, Uzi. That gotta be racist.
Let's see the turbulence. Está assim, mano.
Men's the UK teams.
Wait, hold on. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's going on? How y'all doing?
What's your YouTube? I just saw you today on YouTube. Wait. You were talking to with DDG and you were talking about money. And you say it's not what 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Yeah, bro. What's your YouTube or your?
Hey, it's AnnoyingTV and BruceDropEmOff.
I saw that shit today.
Oh, what? Hey, I fuck with you, bro. Thank you for watching. Salute.
That's a fact.
That's a fact.
AnnoyingTV. Hey, it's all the love from Namibia, though, bro. All the love from Namibia. Hold on. I'm from Namibia.
Namibia?
Yeah, you gotta add me to your video, bro. Let's go, bro.
Hey, love.
Hey, add me to that shit, though.
Where you get a Balenciaga do-rag from?
Hey, bitch.
What the fuck?
Yo, watch your mouth when you talk to
Watch your fucking.
Hey, Bruce. Hey,
Hey, nigga. Talk to
Why
him,
you a
nigga.
bitch? Hold on. Hey,
talk to him, nigga.
Hold on.
Say little gang. You gotta
Hey,
get
little
my
bitch.
motherfucking
Hey,
security
bitch.
first,
I
nigga.
said, shut
Say
up.
little gang.
Hey, that's
Say
something that
little gang.
DDG
You
beat
gotta
your
get
ass
my
on
motherfucking
teacher grade.
security to talk to you first, nigga. Now talk to him, nigga. Pussy ass little nigga.
When you approach me as a man, nigga.
With that fucked up ass roof,
Nigga, sit your dirty ass out with the big ass glasses.
Look at the roof of
Nigga,
your
shut
car,
up. Your ass
nigga.
ugly as
You
hell.
live in your car, punk ass
What is
nigga.
wrong with you, nigga?
Yeah, I'm in the
Bitch
car.
ass
Nigga, I ain't got no money. You my
Show
dick.
your face.
What is you saying?
Show your
Hey,
face.
come on. Hey,
You
bro. Come on.
pussy,
Hey,
nigga.
hold on.
Pussy,
Suck
nigga.
my dick, nigga.
Pussy,
Eat a
nigga.
dick.
Show your face, nigga.
Pussy nigga. Fat ass nigga.
Fuck.
Sorry, chat. Shit got a little bit vulgar right there. You feel me? Me and Rat just don't go for no disrespect.
That's a fact.
Bro, that's that nigga I lost to in AAU, bro. I do not fuck with you, bro.
Did he skip?
No, I skipped him.
Oh. Yo. I
Yeah,
ain't
good,
gonna lie,
guy.
bro. Your nose is fat as hell.
Your jersey is cheap.
My jersey is not cheap. This is a band. Shut the fuck up.
A band still cheap.
No, band is not cheap, because what your shirt is? Oh, that's what I thought. Faded Glory. Walmart. Shut the fuck up. Now don't speak unless I tell you to speak. Now speak, bitch.
Walmart.
That's what I thought. Shut the fuck up.
You said
Now, what's your
Walmart,
name,
bro.
though? You said what?
You said Walmart.
Yes, nigga, Walmart. You got a fucking V-neck on. Stop flexing that little ass horse. That little ass horse. No one want to see that shit. You wearing a V-neck, that little ass horse. I don't give a fuck for your bracelet, nigga. I'll snatch that shit. I'll snatch that shit.
Ooh, that's a cool. I ain't gonna lie to Annoying. That's a cool 12K on the wrist though.
I'll snatch that shit. Fuck is you cheesing for, nigga? What's funny?
This funny. This funny. This funny. Hold on. I wish I was in my crib right now.
What is that? What, Cartier? Oh, you have a Cartier, nigga. So do I. Oh my God, look.
Get that lame shit out of here.
Oh my
Get that
God,
lame
look.
ass
We have
shit out of here.
diamonds. Oh
Get
my
that
God.
weak shit out of here.
Ain't no cheat, nigga. I got receipts, nigga. I got receipts, nigga.
Lame
I got
ass shit.
receipts,
Get that
nigga.
shit.
Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? I got receipts, nigga.
That ain't
Fuck
worth
is wrong with you,
shit,
nigga?
nigga.
I got
That ain't worth
receipts,
shit.
nigga.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? I got receipts.
I see you, bro. I see. Yo, move. This is my brother right there. That's my brother right there.
That's not your brother. Stop dick riding.
I like
He
it.
don't know you. He don't know you. Stop
You born
dick
93,
riding.
bro. You born 93.
Stop dick
You born
riding.
93.
He don't know you. Stop dick
born
riding,
93.
nigga.
I
Niggas
don't
got
like
Cardis too, nigga. Stop dick riding, nigga.
Lame ass up.
Stop
Yo,
that
they
shit.
know my
Stop
name at
dick
the
riding.
store. Yo, listen, they know my name at the store. It's so.
They don't know
I
your name
don't
at the
go nowhere
store.
else.
You be walking in there
Your
with a
shit
V-neck
is not
on.
worth nothing.
You be walking with a
You ain't
V-neck
worth
on.
shit.
Your nose
Like
is
some
fat as
black
shit.
you
Get the
got
fuck
on.
away from the camera,
You ain't
nigga.
worth
Get the
nothing,
fuck
nigga.
away from the camera. That fat ass
Lame ass,
nose,
you ain't
nigga.
platinum. You're not even
Fuck is
super,
wrong with you,
bitch.
nigga? Fuck.
You a lame ass.
You wearing a
nigga.
V-neck, nigga. Fuck. Lame ass nigga.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Yo, it's not loaded for.
She lied. Nah, she just lied. Nah, she just fucking lied. Nah, she just lied. Yo. I can't hear you.
No, bro. Why? Why is it being, why is this shit being like this, bro? Why, bro?
Yo.
No, Annoying, bro, fuck that, bro. Why did they skip?
I don't know.
Got fouled and went to the line like I'm in the league.
I'm not trying to hear that shit.
That
Man.
shit was so ass. That shit was so ass. Yo. Where you from?
Do y'all think my eyebrows are long?
You said
Huh?
what?
Do you think they're too thin?
Nah, they cool.
First and foremost, before my homie answer any questions, how old are you? What if she was about to say 48? He beating his shit. I feel like it wasn't gonna be nothing crazy.
Yo.
Yo.
What's going on, dummy?
What's up, bro?
What y'all on?
Smoking weed, bro.
Hey, bro, you trying to say dummy because we from Baltimore?
I ain't know. You think I knew y'all was from Baltimore?
I think you know that.
Nah, I ain't. That shit ain't say that when y'all had popped up, so I was just like,
Well, I just want to make sure, bro.
Yeah, well, y'all thought y'all was lacking?
Yeah, we thought we was lacking. So
Yeah,
we had the ups on. I think you still know where we at, though, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, shit.
What
Like,
you
you just
smoking
said,
on? What you smoking on right now? Let me see the pack. Let me see
Where
the
you
gas.
from, bro? Right, where you from, bro?
I'm from Houston.
Where you from?
I live with him.
Yeah,
Oh, y'all in the same crib?
Yeah, we in the same
Y'all do
crib.
not
type
say,
shit.
but my whole thing, y'all do not say dummy down there.
From where?
Yeah, we do.
Y'all do not
Y'all
say
be like,
dummy.
what's up, dummy?
Yeah, we be like, what's up, dummy?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
That, bro.
Yeah,
Hey,
we
what?
said,
I thought we was doing.
Yo, why every Baltimore nigga look like an IMVU character?
You said what?
I seen so many niggas that look like the dude on the right in Baltimore.
Me? Or him?
Yeah, it's a lot of niggas that look like you with the lamb chops and all. Why y'all all got that?
What the heck?
The lamb chop.
The lamb chop. The little.
Oh, I'm trying to grow my shit out for real.
Oh, so y'all be trying to go beards?
I am. I don't know old niggas.
Okay, I'm fucking
What y'all
with that.
smoking on though? Let me see the pack.
Yo, this nigga on the lift look like he
The
finna
white
rob
cherry
me.
gelato.
Gelato?
Hell yeah.
Are you sure it's gelato or they just told you that?
No, it's white cherry gelato.
Let me see. That shit was not gelato.
Shit was not gelato. Yo, they coming for us, annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I think we was talking too much.
Maybe.
Yo, hello?
Yo.
Where's this nigga at?
Yo.
Yo.
Fuck out of here, nigga. Wasting our fucking time. Yeah, I skipped him, bro. Fuck out of here.
That nigga shit was lagging.
On this age, bro, tell his ass pull up, bro. He bullshitting. He's not trying to do that.
Who bullshitting?
Yo, I know both of y'all niggas. I ain't gonna cap, cuz.
Stop
Bruce,
saying
I
cuz,
fuck
I'm
with
not
you,
crip.
cuz. Nigga, I'm not crip either. What type of
Okay then,
police
nigga,
shit
so
you
stop
on,
saying
bitch
cuz,
ass
nigga.
nigga?
Nigga, what you on,
Oh,
bitch ass
yeah.
nigga? Fuck.
I ain't gonna lie, annoying, bro.
Shut the
You
fuck
gotta
up when I'm
stop, cause
talking, nigga. You speak when I tell you to speak.
annoying.
You shut
In
the
real
fuck
life,
up. Yo, when I speak,
all right,
you
hold
don't
on.
talk, nigga. Let me talk and
Are you
then you can
done?
address afterwards, nigga. So
Cause
whenever
when you
I'm
done, let
done
me know.
talking, you can talk. Now talk, bitch ass nigga.
Ah, shit. I ain't gonna talk cause you told me to, but in real life, annoying, you be freezing up, cuz.
We gonna
I
box,
fuck with you,
nigga?
cuz.
You
Hey,
think we gonna box, nigga?
yo, you gotta chill out, bro. You going, feel me, overexert yourself, little bro. Stop. Yo, Bruce, nigga, fuck with you, cuz. You feel me? Keep doing what you doing, cuz. Feel me? Keep doing what you doing.
That was dick riding.
But annoying, bro.
That was dick riding. That was dick riding. That was unprovoked dick riding. That was unprovoked dick riding. That was unprovoked dick riding.
What the fuck is? Yo, I'm not. No. Why? Yo, you on hot, bro? You been on hot since you got on kick, bro. I like that. I like that energy, bro. Oh, this your mod.
Yo.
That's Kali.
Yo, I fuck with y'all, bro.
Hey, I fuck with you too,
Yo,
bro.
Bruce.
Hey.
Yo, I be watching your shit, bro.
Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
No cap. Yo, I be watching your shit on YouTube and shit. I'm bored as hell. Word, bro. I be
Hey,
bored
I
as hell in the
appreciate that.
bed, just looking at y'all shit.
Thank you, bro. Yo, that nigga rubbing his hands too much, bro. I think he was gonna take that chain you had in your hand.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We ain't gonna get one.
Fucking ill, bro. Yo, this app. Let me see. He's in Jamaica. He gotta know where the hell is at. Let me see. Yo, don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip.
We're not doing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know so me say we're not doing.
Huh?
What am I you?
We're not doing.
You on here beating your dick, ain't you? Be honest. Exactly. See, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Them niggas be thinking they slick, bro.
What's up with this nigga, bro?
This is cap. This is cap. What the fuck is going on, nigga? Wait, hold on. This is cap, nigga.
Yo, who's getting fucked?
I don't know what these niggas. Yo, all you hooligans, stop.
Go out there and handle them niggas, bro. Real shit.
Yo.
Like, go out there. No. Hold on. We having a conversation. We gonna introduce ourselves in a minute. Annoying.
Oh.
Go out there and literally tell them to shut the fuck up now. And if they don't,
Yeah.
they sleeping outside tonight.
Yeah. Discipline that. Yo, bro, what's actually happening? Catch me up. Yo.
Oh my, love you fucking authority.
Yo.
Sit the fuck down, Mario. Mario, sit the
Really?
fuck down, Mario.
Really, man? Dude, really?
Yeah.
Dude, really?
Isaiah, I'm not playing with you, Mario. I'm not
What do
playing
we
with
start?
you, Isaiah. Isaiah, I'm not playing with you, Isaiah. Now sit in that chair.
What do we just start? Fuck.
Sit on the chair.
That is none of that white man's business. That is none of his business. Yo, I'm not gonna, bro. Yo, I ain't
Yo. Hey, cuz, I got one question.
Stop saying cut. I'm not Crip. Fuck.
Actually true.
My father, nigga. Hey, Mr. Condones.
Hey, how you doing?
Can I have a hoodie?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Annoying. You really handled your fucking business right there, bro. And look, I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing no more.
You seen they shut the fuck up, right?
Solo
Shut
para
the fuck
su
up.
casa, que la so.
Que la so, me amo Bruce. Me amo Annoying. Fuck out of here, bro. They don't understand shit, bro. Never. Yo, can we do it on Omega?
Is that possible?
Yo, if we do it on Omega,
You
we
gotta
can
ask
only...
in chat that's possible. I dead don't
Nah,
know.
they said no. They said no.
Oh, damn.
Yo, bruh, I swear I see the same niggas on here.
Nah, that's a fact. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
What? You are not 14, fat
Hey,
ass.
don't be worried about me.
oh,
Hey,
no, that
God
nigga's a sugar
damn,
daddy.
We need to.
Oh, nah. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm actually concerned why you put 14 on this app.
Why?
because I can't change the shit. God damn it, this shit goddamn 9 years old. Must be. Goddamn, I made this account 9 years ago. Come on, man. I'm still using the same old account. Come on, man. Quit playing with me. You from Atlanta
This
with
nigga just
goddamn
lied,
Jeezy.
bro. You just lied. How you just said you made your account
Ain't nobody
9 years
lied.
ago?
What
Bro,
you got on your?
That wasn't even a lie 9 years ago. You was a fucking liar.
What am I gonna gain from putting 14 on that
9
shit?
years
I ain't
ago.
gonna lie. I'm calling police.
I'm not gonna lie. We got
calling
your location, my nigga.
Be honest with me. What am I gonna gain from me putting 14 on that shit?
A sale, buddy. A sale. That's what you're gonna get. A sale and a meal every 1 to 2 meals.
You need to get the
not
goddamn
4.
bullshit off your goddamn head. Let me see
My-
your
my
hair.
head-
Let me
head-
see your hair. Let me see your hair
I don't got none. I'm bald.
on Juneteenth, since we want to be that.
You know
Let me
you're
see your
racist.
bald head.
What? So not only do
I ain't
you
racist,
touch
bro.
kids, you're racist. And you're in a halfway house. Congratulations, my nigga. You did it. Yo, what's wrong with him, bro?
Nah, this is crazy. That's a grown ass man.
Yo, what's good with y'all?
What's good with you, bro? How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm chilling, bro.
Chilling.
What y'all be on? What y'all be on?
What you on?
Shit, none right.
Georgetown?
Bro, she has QQ in her name. You know she's 12.
Wait, no way. How old are you?
Older than both of you combined.
Is that a voice changer?
A voice changer?
I'm actually concerned.
Where are you? What are you talking through?
A headphone like that one there.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
Could you turn your light on?
Please?
Please?
No.
Fat bitch.
Ass nigga.
Oh, that's what I am?
Oh.
For the flip, cuz.
Hey, what's good, Dino?
Oh, my homegirl was trying to get on y'all stream, cuz. I swear to God. Like, bro, we were just talking about you, bro. Bro, it's not even funny. What the word is?
Well, how old your homegirl
How
is?
old is your homegirl?
I don't know, but she was on the monkey out. I just got done talking to her. I swear to God, we were talking about how shit gay and shit. It's like a little Mexican girl.
Find her then.
We finna find her.
Can't waste time talking to him. Hold on, what he don't know? Iraq.
Iraq is crazy.
I'm wearing my beanies like Joe Budden from now on, y'all.
What the fuck?
I don't know what he was on. I don't know what he was on.
What that nigga
They
was on.
reported us?
Yo.
Yo.
No.
Crazy.
What's crazy?
Wait.
I swear to God, this is the first time I ever seen him. I swear to God, this is the first time I ever seen a group of white people.
Oh shit, yo, Bruce.
Holy
I'm
fuck.
with all of y'all. I swear to God.
Yo, hey, Bruce.
Oh
Hey, Bruce,
That's who I am.
Bruce, listen. All right, so,
Yo, ain't no
so
way.
somebody said they were trying to catch you,
Uh-huh.
and we caught you first.
Yeah, we all Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
Yo, that's crazy.
No, that is crazy. What the fuck?
Yo.
Yo.
You look like you beat your dick to jazz music. You look freaky as hell. What you on though? You chilling? Bro, come on, bro. I want to have a fucking car. He seem cool, bro.
Nah, he actually did seem like a cool ass nigga though, bro.
Oh God.
Damn, and then on my shit is yeah.
Nah, niggas really be on this shit with their mans like I'm on this shit with my mans. Real shit.
Nah, that shit is actually crazy though, cause I actually don't use this shit like this.
When the last time you used this app before though? Cause
yeah, when it was allowed.
Yeah, true. Very true. Yo, nah, we gotta do a big call. We gotta do a big call. Me, you, Ada, everybody.
Nah, we got that. I'll be lit.
Yo, wait, chat. What is Ada doing right now?
Can you do like trios and shit on here?
Like quadruple, I think.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, that'd be crazy.
Hold on, y'all look like the perfect match for my boy. How old y'all is?
19.
18.
19, 18, shit. I really think he'll fuck with the 19-year-olds. Yeah. What's your name? You said
We got a question.
We got an answer.
Can you rate us 1 through 10? Starting with her.
Bruce, go first.
10.
Thank you.
9.
Thank you. What about her?
7.5. That's only because you look pregnant though.
Who is pregnant?
My fault. I ain't. Okay, but can y'all return the favor?
Yeah.
Can y'all rate us 1 through 10?
No. Yes.
No.
Shut the fuck up. You right there with the skateboards. You a tier A, both. You a tier 2 with the glasses because you real fine.
Oh, she said you real fine. Mario, she said you real fine. Hold on, though. You want his Instagram?
I get the dude.
Philly.
Hey.
Philly.
Look.
Bruce, Philly bull.
The dude with the skateboard get a 9. The other dude, you get an 8.
All right, hold on, though. Hold on. Why you keep trying to skip? Okay, I'm about to tell you my man's Instagram. Get your phone out. Get your phone out. Get your phone out. Shawty on the left. Get your phone out.
Safe word. Yo, bro. Nah, this nigga is trying to do me wrong. Yo, Chad, do you see it? This nigga is the line of death. Do you see that, Chad? That shit is crazy.
Yo, bro. Oh, my God. Okay, here you go, bro. Damn. Hey, DD.
Yo.
Hey. Can I be on the phone with you?
Hey, look, DD.
What's up?
Hey, how old you is?
Old enough.
Old enough. Okay. My boy on the left right here, to my left, he looking for like a girl and shit. And y'all from the same place. I seen where you from.
Oh.
Yeah, so like, what would you rate me on a scale of 1 through 10 type shit?
A 7.5.
Okay.
Maybe an 8.
Okay. Going up and up and up. Okay. Where you from?
Alabama.
I know some people out there in Alabama.
Bro, we was just out there, bro. You remember we fucked up 10,000 in the club?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. We went to some club. I forgot what that club was called. But shit.
What's that most popular club in Alabama? You know what club I'm talking about? That bitch got a baby.
I don't know what she got.
She got a fucking baby.
That bitch look young though. She was not 21. Yo,
once you hear the baby cry, bro, you just automatically leave. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, bro. 8 to 7, bro. I'm telling you, you look way better. Like it's no exaggeration,
bro. I'm telling you, when I got my braces off and I cut the beard, it's like plus 10 attributes just went. You feel me?
Yeah.
My overall went up.
And your skin got more clear.
And it got more clear.
You skipped us?
He definitely skipped us.
Fucking stupid. Yo, that nigga was toilet beating. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
Wait, put up, no. Put up your cap. No, put up your cap.
Answer the question first. Answer the question. This is how I wear my
question.
Why?
Okay. Did they see this?
Oh my god. Hello?
Hello?
Wait. Oh. Wait, why I can't see y'all screen? What the freak going on?
I don't know what's going on with this shit. Yo.
What's up?
What's up? How old are you?
13.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can hear it on phone. I'm from the rack too, you heard? Yo. Nigga said his money spent weak.
What the fuck? Man, get your bug looking ass on, nigga.
Nigga, is you cool?
That nigga tweaking on the age.
Is he squaring up?
Oh my god, bro, you gotta stop shooting up, bro. That shit not cool. This nigga doing crackhead shit.
Oh no. No. He pumped the yerk. No,
that's that Memphis shit. That's that Memphis shit. All right, bro. We gotta at least find one. Okay. Oh my god. You was not
a piece. It's over.
He's literally not a woman. Why do they do that? Y'all are so weird.
I can't even see that shit. Yo.
So weird.
Yo.
No, they ain't connect. They skip.
Oh shit. Why is my shit froze?
No, my shit loading too. Yo.
The fuck?
Is it GG's?
It might be raps, brother.
What the fuck?
The fuck?
The fuck?
The fuck?
Why is
The
that
fuck? Annoying, you ugly as shit too.
Oh, fuck your bitch. Watch your mouth.
You ain't fucking nobody, bitch.
He is fucking your bitch. He is fucking your bitch. Literally, I've literally seen his dick.
Huh?
It's literally big as shit.
I thought you weren't supposed to tell nobody that. Nah, this nigga's weird.
Yo, chat, if y'all aren't following on Kick, make sure y'all follow both of the Kicks right now. Almost to... Yo, what's going on? Wait, why y'all about to skip, bro?
Use your speaker.
My shit dead.
I can charge it.
I don't even know where it's at.
Bruce, what's up, dude?
Yo, what the fuck did you just clean off your mouth?
I don't know where it's at. Find it.
I'm eating Wendy's.
Yeah.
I'm eating Wendy's.
It's good to eat. It's good to eat.
Yeah, you can find it and charge it.
Yo, Bruce, how's life doing, bro?
Amazing, bro. How you doing?
Damn, you don't want to ask about my life?
Oh, shit.
I mean, you're doing great, man. I saw you yelling at some British guy earlier, and I was just like, you know what? This guy's a real one.
Hey, nah, yo, no. Literally, I appreciate you, dude. You're a real one.
Oh, fuck yeah. As soon as you went to Kick, I was like, dude, I'm going over here, and dude, this website is so much fucking better than Twitch. Like, what the fuck? I literally started streaming because everyone else came over here. Like,
yo, hey, and that's literally what I came here for, to build opportunity for the niggas that look up to me and annoy.
Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, bro. I've been watching you for a while, so it's actually pretty cool that I got on here.
Hey, nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, take care, boys. Go yell at
too.
more British guys.
Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Bong. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's a lot of love, bro.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
The fuck?
You look famous.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm tripping. Don't mind me. I'm tripping right now.
First of all, how old are you?
Oh, I'm just 16.
Okay, so that's not this type of conversation. You talking about him? He's the famous one.
No, that's him. You know who that is?
Why you pointing at what he right there? No, the dude in the middle. Is you Bruce?
God damn it, you got me. Yeah, that's just me. God damn it.
God!
Nice meeting you. Fuck. Yo, she actually knew, chat. I thought she was gonna say constant that friend. All right, bro. How many we doing? How many you want to do?
2 more.
2 more?
2 more.
How the hell y'all niggas know how to work this computer?
Yo, what's up, man?
What's good?
Not much. What are you guys doing?
Shit, just chilling, hanging out. What you doing?
Chilling, streaming right now?
What you stream on?
Kick.
The green
Yeah.
patty.
No way. You lying. What's your shit?
Is that true when you're 23?
How you spell it?
You don't know how to spell my name, bro? For
No,
real?
no, spell it again. Spell it. Spell it for me. Spell it for me. Let me see. What an asshole. What a fucking asshole.
He skipped?
He skipped. I was gonna gift him subs. Fucking asshole.
No,
What
he's
an ass.
so. He's so.
Yo! Yo! Oh god! Yo, what up? Wait, did I just actually meet you? I just met. Hold on. Jada! Holy crap! Oh, you're famous! Wait, what?
Yo, no. Why are you running
out?
Yo, he's running to his neighbor house.
Oh my god, I'm live!
Yo, wait, where are you going?
I'm trying to find my cousin.
Find your cousin.
Yeah, you gotta find him,
I can't find him. He's somewhere.
Yo.
Look harder.
I'm trying. No. Oh, y'all famous.
Yo.
That's crazy.
You famous. You the famous one.
That's a fact.
Bro.
Where did your cousin? Is he even at the house?
Did he leave?
He ran.
He gone?
He's gone.
Yeah.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot.
Hold on, I can't. Oh, I can't. Says I can't. But yeah.
Damn.
I give a thumbs up.
Hey,
look. Friends me.
Hey, I'm gonna friend you. I got you. So you could, I'll wait.
Yeah.
You can friend him. Where is that? All right, I'm gonna friend you. I think I could go back in my recent. I got you. Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you too.
One more, Bruce.
One more.
One more.
We got you too.
Please, Bruce. It's Bruce. It's fucking Bruce. It's Bruce. Holy shit, Bruce.
Nice meeting you, man.
I've been trying to find you for the whole evening. Oh my god, it's Bruce.
Hey, man, look, love, bro.
I
Why
love
are
you,
you in
Bruce.
your drawers?
Bruce, I fucking love you. No, I'm not in my drawers, bro.
Yo, you about to make me start screaming in my underwear, bro. Real shit.
Oh my god, Bruce, I just want to say I love you. I'm so happy for you that you moved to Kick. And I sent a message to DDG saying to him, what the fuck you beefing fucking Bruce for, huh? I'll get you, bitch.
The
Where's DDG beefing? Where's DDG beefing you, huh?
Yo, look. It's not beef. Look, man. You ain't gotta crash out yet, Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keyword.
'Cause I sent
Yeah.
that bitch a message. I sent that bitch a re-message telling him why the fuck you beefing Bruce for, huh? I'm a Bruce supporter day one.
Hey, man,
Day
look.
one, huh?